Hi, this is Mrinal from DTDC. DTDC India's premier express distribution organization. We're next to India Post, covering 12,500 zip codes with 11,500 odd franchisee, having own offices around 600 plus offices with 7,000 odd employees. We are not only an Indian company, we also grown big and moved to explore the offshore opportunities. Currently, we have around 17 odd countries our own offices, and 200 odd other countries we cover through various other agencies and associates. Technology plays a very big role because what we sell to our customer is a right pickup, a right delivery, a right invoice, and a right tracking systems, which all needs a very large distribution of technology. We have associated with Google for last 3.5 to 4 years. Initially, we started a small journey. We have migrated our on-prem office environment to G Suite, Google G Suite. It was a phenomenal experience for all of us. Initially, we migrated our 7,000 odd employees, and then within 1 year, seeing the success, we migrated 11,500 odd franchises into G Suite. So from the top of the organization to the lowest bottom part, everybody using G Suite, and we are now completely migrated. 80% of our workforce use all products of G Suite, not only email. We use Google Drive, Hangout extensively. Post-COVID, it came as a boon because when we couldn't come to office, G Suite became a very big tool for us. And I do not know how many million hours of Google Hangout meeting we did, and we are continuing to doing that. It became a real tool to bring the work from home souls knotted to a single platform. Then we migrated our data warehousing platform to G Suite. Initially, we did our operation data warehouse migrated to Google BigQuery. Then sales data warehouse also migrated to BigQuery. And then we used Tableau as a visualization layer, which is, I can proudly say that during pandemic, DTDC has completely scaled up itself from a typical Excel-driven organization to a completely analytic-driven organization. Parallelly, we have taken some very innovative projects like address book automation, where we are capturing customers' addresses where customer doesn't provide the data, and with the Google Vision API tool, we are extracting the data into a text file and then using this data for the better customer service experiences. We have many planning around Google. Like we'd like to use Google's Vision API, Google Document AI solutions for our automating our invoices and account receivable, accounts payable. Overall, it's a great journey with Google as a product and Google as a solution. And I'm thanks to Google India team who had paid such an extensive attention towards us and helping us to migrate most of our solutions into a proper cloud-based analytics. Obviously, we all will agree that post-pandemic, cloud would play a bigger role, and I'm sure Google would play an extensive role for not only for migrating our core application into a cloud environment, but using its machine learning AI capabilities from a reactive organization will become a proactive organizations. And I'm sure the next 1 year is a great excitement awaiting, because we'll be using those tools and migrating ourselves, giving real customer a value for its money, and giving all our shareholders a value for its investment. And Google will definitely play a significant role in that journey. Thank you, Google. Thank you for that.